Introduction. Thank you and congratulations for taking this class. Agile Scrum, 12 Tips to Improve Your Project Delivery. This class contains proven steps and strategies on how to improve your sprint and delivery as part of an Agile Scrum team. I'm sure you'll get value from this because it gives you a complete introduction to the concept of a sprint in Agile Scrum, and then takes you step by step through carrying out and improving sprints in your team or business from the ground up. It also gives you plenty of examples. It tells you exactly how I've carried out sprints in practice and guides you through some common best practices based on extensive research. In this class, you'll learn a brief recap of Agile and Scrum principles, why the sprint is so powerful for delivering, inspecting, adapting, and improving your product, how to carry out a sprint in your team or business like the pros, and concise tips and options for improving your delivery. So let's get into the next chapter. Allow me to help you learn, improve, and master delivering with Agile Scrum. Introducing Agile Scrum. Before we can discuss the specific details about how to improve delivery, let's first understand what Agile Scrum is all about. What is Agile Scrum? In a nutshell, Agile is an umbrella term for a set of frameworks and methods. These use iterative time-boxed approaches and focus on building products incrementally from the beginning of a project rather than delivering it all at once at the end. Agile basically encourages frequent inspection and adaptation, plus teamwork, accountability, and self-organization. Moreover, the engineering behind Agile projects allows speedy delivery of first-class products, and their business approach aligns development with company goals and customer needs. Agile often works by breaking down projects into tiny user functionality bits called user stories, which are prioritized and then continuously delivered in short cycles, mostly 2 weeks, called iterations. Scrum is an Agile framework that traces back to early 90s, which provides a framework for managing complex product and software development with iterative and incremental processes. Scrum is a very popular framework for implementing Agile project management. Although some people think that Agile and Scrum are the same thing, this is wrong. While there are many frameworks for implementing Agile, Scrum is the most outstanding owing to its specific concepts and practices categorized into roles, time boxes, and artifacts. And although Scrum is an Agile technique that can be used for any project, it's mainly used for developing different software. It's mostly suitable for projects with requirements that change and develop very fast. Agile methods, including Scrum, implement the Agile manifesto of individuals and interactions above tools and processes, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration above contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. Scrum theory. Scrum is based on empiricism or empirical process control theory. The simple idea behind this theory consists of 3 principles: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Transparency, honesty among the Scrum team members, is emphasized in that the product functionality is not done until the team says so. Transparency creates trust among the team members and enables them to consistently check up the progress, inspection, and make improvements based on what they see, adaptation. These improvements include practices, communication, sticking to values or otherwise. Consistently inspecting and adapting is quite powerful stuff. In so doing, they're improving over and over again, during and after the release of a product, a feature that's not possible with other models of development. Generally, the components of a Scrum framework are 1. 3 roles: Product Owner, Scrum Master, and Scrum Development Team. 2. Sprints, a project iteration of less than a calendar month. 3. Scrum Events, Ceremonies. Sprint Planning Meeting, What and How meetings, Daily Scrum meetings, Sprint Review meeting, and Sprint Retrospective meetings. 4. Scrum Artifacts. Scrum has 3 artifacts. A. Product Backlog, a prioritized backlog with end-user requirements. The product owner is responsible for this. Refer to the next section. B.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?